Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Flask. Today we are going to learn how to serve the static files in the Flask Python. So first of all, we have to create the project like this. Okay, let's go and create this one. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Static file. Then we have to create the CSS. In the CSS, first of all, we have to create the folder CSS, then the style.css. Okay, so here we go with the styles, and then in the JS we will go with the scripts. Okay, static, let's create the JS folder, and here in this I need to like script.js, right? So first of all, app.py file, render the HTML part. So here we go with this one. Done. Automatically restarted. You can see that I haven't do anything changes over here. Okay, next we have to go with the index.html. Let's paste the index.html over here, so where we include the scripts, the CSS. Here you can see we have where it is, index.html. Okay, so here we go with this one. So here, with how to use this one, so with this URL for static CSS style.css. Okay, if you want to go with the JS, URL for static, this is your folder, and this is a file name, that is jscript.js. Okay, let's try to save this. Okay, next we have the back, let's put some of the CSS over here. Okay, so let's go and just add the CSS. Okay, and then we have a scripts. Okay, so here we go with the scripts. Let's try to go in the IP. Here we go with this one, and here you can see that the color, the design, everything is there with the console CSS. Okay, so let's see whether it's to in the console script loaded, right? And what we have written in the script, that is script loaded. Okay, so this is how you can serve the static files in Python Flask. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.